Hey, have you ever heard someone say cut and dry? What up, your this is Fine. Welcome back again. Okay, cut and dry so something which is very obvious and clear, not requiring more explanation. But to the cuckoo a yanti that in shani hari, not like Tabi Shimbiazia Mululong or Tida Tinshani and the Muri Potion, a cut and dry so General Tabi Mashimbiazia Mulu when they go Tida Tinshani Sorago, Biore Digby people. Like example, don't stop asking me a question. The instructions are cut and drying. Oh, Migu Mini or Migu Mini are yellow. The mainly got the instruction local the language the mainly are long wash linear or cut and dry pin so Miguna Mijam Lugo or Miguni Mini like example Elopolo Yava. Not who are the Kukune, but they be Piojarum Lugu, Twijarum Lugi Jarum Luga, and Dandi Banya or Almuration like cut and drying or the Caraton Luyava. So hope the useful guys. See you in the next video and stay tuned. Peace out.